Hey, what's happening, you guys? Um, this is a build I'm gonna do for my daughter. It's out of some parts of a car that I made her. She's outgrown the car, and it's time for a bike to get to school. Um, I am going to put a rubber tire around the hub again. It's just that on the car job, I ended up throwing them out, so I don't have any yet. It does work. It slips a bit on the wet grass, but it does work. So I will change the tire and get that sorted. But yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy the build. That's package. Not too fast. So yeah, I made this L bracket up. It is bolted to the stand plate. And it's nice and tight up against this here so it doesn't it can't like rock or slip. I'll probably end up putting a few tack welds on either side. Um, but I haven't yet in case I decide to switch up my mind. Right now it's on friction drive. So it's a bit slow. And that's what I want. I wanted low power for my daughter. She's only 4 years old, so um, and then eventually I would change it to a sprocket. I could put a sprocket on the other side, just cut that weld off, move the bracket forward, re-weld it, and just put a sprocket on this side. Um, yeah, basically. Um, I got a little thumb throttle hooked up. Yeah, I got the hoverboard battery, which is 36 volt. This is an e-bike controller, sending 250 watts, 36 to 48 volt. So in theory, I could put a 48 volt battery in it and it will spin faster. So that'll be an option too. If it's not fast enough, I can just change the battery to 48 volt. So yeah. Maddie's gonna love her new bike. Yeah, change the tire though. Put a street one so it's not so knobby. So, but it's all right though. It makes it sound like a motorbike. It's not too fast for it. I can make it faster if I want. So yeah, I got the this is a phone holder that goes on the top of a pedal bike that mate gave me. So I put the battery in that, which is held on by Velcro straps, top, bottom, and down here. And there's a flat bit here, so and it's pretty tight in there. Um, and that worked out good. Put all the extra wires in, the unused wires. I get some cover for this. And yeah, that's it. I gotta reweld the piece back on here across there because it was in the way. So I gotta sort it out. So, and then I'm going to weld a bar up around to that and remove the suspension, taking the suspension right out. So yeah, I ended up having to change the plans. I ended up mounting the sprocket there so that you can still push the bike and use it that way. I think that piece of chain that I added in there is a bit. Here's the little chain guard here. Other than that, it works. There's lots of power. The other wheel was slipping. As soon as it hit the grass, that was it. It didn't even work. It probably would have worked in dry and a different tire on it, but it would have been unreliable. This is more, and battery should last a lot longer.